Hey everyone! Welcome back to the usual morning chaos. It's funny how the house can go from spotless to messy in no time after breakfast. Crumbs on the counter, dishes stacked in the sink, and random things left out like someone had a 5-minute party. I used to get annoyed by it, but honestly, it's just part of the routine now. There's actually something pretty satisfying about tidying up and giving the house a fresh start for the day. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get this place back in shape. Whenever I clean, I like to kick things off in the kitchen. It's kind of the heart of the house, right? And when the kitchen's a mess, it feels like the whole place is out of order. I start by clearing off the countertops, putting away that blender I barely use, or tucking the toaster back in its corner. Less stuff out means less chaos to look at. Since the kitchen is open to the living space, even a couple of dirty dishes or a cluttered counter sticks out like a sore thumb. So, I make it a habit to load up the dishwasher first thing. It's such a simple step, but makes a huge difference. Plus, it's way easier to wipe down surfaces when you don't have to shuffle dishes around. Once everything's cleared, the space just feels fresher, and it motivates me to keep going with the rest of the house. After clearing up this kitchen mess, the next spot I tackle is the bathroom. It's not the most fun chore, but there's something about a clean bathroom that just feels good. I've switched from using a scrub brush to a soft sponge. It's way gentler on the sink and still gets rid of all the grime. After brushing my teeth, I'll do a quick wipe down to keep toothpaste splatters from sticking around. Same goes for the mirror after a shower. Just a quick swipe to keep it from fogging up. It might sound weird, but I actually find cleaning the bathroom kind of relaxing. It's like, as I rinse away the dirt, I'm also clearing out the stress from my day. Simple, quick, and super satisfying. All right, next up, it's time to tackle this pile of laundry. I'm throwing it in the washer, and yep, it's definitely enough for another full load. The batch I started this morning is already done, so now I'm done just trying to keep the momentum going. Normally, I aim to do 1 load of laundry a day to stay on top of things, but since it's the middle of winter, all the heavy jackets, sweaters, and blankets mean I'm doing way more than usual. It seriously feels like the laundry never ends. Even though it's pretty chilly these days, the afternoons still get some nice sun, which is perfect for drying clothes outside. I've noticed that air drying keeps my clothes looking better and lasting longer, so whenever the weather cooperates, I definitely prefer hanging them out. Plus, nothing beats that fresh outdoor smell on clean clothes. It's been super windy the past few days, making it nearly impossible to hang anything without it flying off. But today's calm air is such a nice break. I might even throw a few blankets out there to freshen them up. Honestly, there's something really peaceful about standing outside, pinning up clothes, and just soaking in the quiet for a minute. All right, with the kitchen sparkling, the bathroom fresh, and laundry spinning, it's time to tackle the living room, the cozy hub of the house. First things first, I fluff up the cushions and neatly fold those throw blankets that always seem to find their way into a pile. Then, I clear off the coffee table, grabbing any stray mugs, snack bowls, or random stuff that magically appears out of nowhere. Once the clutter's gone, I give the floor a quick vacuum or sweep, and just like that, the whole room feels brand new. If I'm feeling extra productive, I'll wipe down the windows to let more light pour in. It's crazy how much brighter and more welcoming the space feels with a little sunshine. By the time I'm done, the living room feels like the perfect spot to relax, kick back, and enjoy the rest of the day. Next up, it's time to refresh the bedroom. The simplest way to make the whole room feel instantly neater? Just make the bed. It's a quick win that makes a huge difference. After that, I pick up any clothes that might be scattered around, whether it's yesterday's outfit tossed on a chair or socks hiding under the bed. I'll straighten up the nightstand, clear off any clutter, and if I notice any dust, I'll give it a quick wipe down. It doesn't take much, but these little steps create a calm, cozy vibe. Trust me, you'll be glad you did it when it's time to unwind at the end of the day. If you've got a home office or even just a small desk corner, it's time to give it a quick refresh. A tidy workspace isn't just about looks. It really helps you focus and get things done. Start by clearing off any random papers, coffee mugs, or clutter that's piled up. You know, like that stack of old receipts or the notebook you haven't touched in weeks. Give your desk a quick wipe down to get rid of dust, especially around your keyboard and mouse. Those spots collect grime fast. If you're feeling it, light a candle with a calming scent like lavender or crack open a window to let in some fresh air. You could even add a small plant or rearrange your stationery to make the space feel fresh. That little boost of cleanliness and fresh vibes can make a huge difference in how productive you feel. Now that everything's in order, it's time to give the floors a little attention. A quick sweep or vacuum through the whole house really pulls everything together and makes the space feel truly clean. Crumbs hiding under the kitchen table, dust bunnies sneaking into the corners, or pet hair lounging on the carpet. Getting rid of all that instantly makes the house feel lighter and fresher. If you have hardwood floors, a quick mop afterward can add that extra shine, while fluffy rugs might just need a good shakeout to bring them back to life. I like to start in one corner of the house and work my way through room by room. It's oddly satisfying to see the progress as you go. And don't forget the little spots under the couch, behind the doors, or that sneaky space between the fridge and the counter. Once you're done, walking through the house feels like stepping into a brand new space. Nothing beats that fresh, clean floor feeling. And just like that, the house is feeling fresh, cozy, and totally reset. It's funny how a little bit of tidying can make such a huge difference. Not just in how your space looks, but in how you feel too. From clearing the kitchen counters to fluffing up the living room pillows and getting that laundry folded, it all comes together to create a space that feels calm and welcoming. Honestly, it's those small, simple routines that bring the most peace. If you enjoyed this little reset with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I've got plenty more cleaning tips, home organization hacks, and cozy vibes coming your way. Your support really helps me keep this channel growing, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep your space cozy and your vibe positive.